Hey there, future finance pros. If you've just received your Tymebank credit card and are eager to start using it in 2025, you're in the right spot. Activating your card is a quick and straightforward process that ensures your account is secure and ready for all your shopping sprees. In this video, I'll guide you through each step, so you can get up and running in no time. First things first, make sure you have your Tymebank credit card handy, along with your phone or computer for easy access. The activation is typically done through the Tymebank app, which is free and user-friendly. Step 1. Download the Tymebank app from your device's app store. If you already have it, great, skip ahead. Once it's installed, open the app and log in using your existing Tymebank username and password. If you're new, you'll need to create an account first, which only takes a minute. After logging in, navigate to the Cards or Accounts section. Look for an icon that resembles a credit card. There, you'll see an option to activate your new card. Tap on it, and the app will prompt you to enter your card details, like the 16-digit card number and the CVV code found on the back. Don't worry, this is all encrypted for your security. Next, you'll likely need to verify your identity. This could involve entering a one-time PIN sent via SMS to your registered phone number, so keep an eye on your messages. Once you've entered the code, confirm the activation, and voila, your card is now active. It might take a few seconds to process, but you'll get a confirmation message on screen. Pro tip: if you encounter any issues, like an error message, double-check that your app is updated to the latest version for 2025, as Tymebank often rolls out improvements. Also, if you're activating via the website instead, head to tymebank.co.za, log in, and follow the same steps in the dashboard. Remember, activating your card not only unlocks its features but also helps protect against fraud. And there you have it. That's how you activate your Tymebank credit card in 2025. If this tutorial helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more money-saving tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay smart with your finances, and I'll see you in the next video.